In this video I will quickly show you how to replace a lost or broken Oppo Enco X2. That's what you might have. You might have your set, as you can see here. It connects to this phone, the left one 10%, the right 100%, in the case at 20%. So what might happen is you might actually lose one of your pieces. In this case I'll demonstrate with the left one, and you can actually simply buy a replacement earpiece and plug it back in. You plug it in, see it lights up green and nothing will happen so far. So what you want to do, you want to delete your existing device from your configuration, including from your Bluetooth connections, and go back to the Hey Melody application, the Oppo Enco Melody application. Once you've placed both pieces in the case, you push the button on the right for about 2 seconds until you see it blinking white. You do scanning and there they show up. You connect, click OK, and if everything goes well, you now have two pieces connected. You see the left one, which is now the black one, is at 90%, so this one has been replaced. Okay, still at 20%, and now you have a new set of Oppo Enco X2.